I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll need an Azure subscription and permissions. Once verified, open the Azure Portal and go straight to create a resource. Choose Webapp and pick your subscription, resource group, and a unique app name. Make sure to select the correct runtime stack or Docker container image so deployment matches your code. Configure an app service plan. This defines CPU, memory, and scale. Once these basics are set, click Review Plus, Create so Azure will validate settings before provisioning the web app. Now continue by specifying deployment method and app settings. If using code, connect GitHub or enable local Git and configure branch deployment. For containers, link Azure Container Registry or Docker Hub and set the image tag. Then add application settings and connection strings. These become environment variables, so never hardcode secrets. Configure scaling and health checks. Set startup command if your container or runtime needs it. Once configured, deploy to push your build and watch the deployment log. Finish by validating the live site using the provided app URL and enable application insights for telemetry. Test endpoints and background jobs, and then adjust scaling. Either vertically change plan size or add instances with auto-scale rules. Make sure SSL is enabled and custom domains are bound if required. If something fails, check the deployment center logs, app service logs, and application insights traces. Often issues are missing environment variables, wrong startup commands, or CORS misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.